In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to generate depth maps for a video file using depth map batch. And what you're seeing here is the results of that video file. It's using depth anything v2 as the depth model. Let me just walk you through real quick how you can do it. The first thing you're going to do is change the input method from image directory to video file. The next thing you're going to do is reference the video file in the input source. So in this case, this will be my video. The next step is just confirming which depth map style you want to use. In this case, I'm using Inferno. And then the next step is selecting the model weights file. The model weights files are included as downloads with the add-on. All you need to do is pick which model you want to run. So in this case, I'm going to be running depth anything v2. So this is the model weights file for it. You just reference it. The last step is providing the output directory where you want to save the depth maps generated. And then you just click start. And let's take a look at the results. I'm going to open up this window on the left. So keep in mind, because it is depth anything v2, it is going to take longer than something like Midas 3.0. So what I've seen with my own machine, it takes about 7 or 8 seconds for depth anything v2 and around 2.5 to 3 seconds for Midas. And it looks like we've got our first results. Here's the first one. And I'll show you one or two more just so you have an idea. Okay, here's the next one. And then you just let it run all the way through. So in this case, I think there's around 550 frames. So just let it run. Oh, and this tool runs entirely locally. It does not use APIs and it does not use web services. Okay, that's all I got.